Kids Zone with Trishy. Seasons. In the summer, the turtles play on the sunny beach. In the fall, the dog walks through the colorful leaves. In the winter, the tiger plays in the soft white snow. In the spring, the zebra smells the blooming flowers. Let's count. The elephant sees one dog. 1. The turtle sees 2 frogs. 2. The tiger sees 3 butterflies. 3. The giraffe sees 4 trucks. 4. The zebra sees 5 birds. 5. On the farm. Can you see the cow? Yes, cow. Can you find the horse? Yes, the horse. Where's the pig? Yes, that's the pig. Sheep. Here's the goat. Do you see the donkey? Yes, the donkey. I see a rooster. Can you find the duck? Yes, there's the duck. A yellow duck. What does the cat say? Meow. How about the dog?